What do you want to be when you grow up?
I don't know.
What about manufacturing?
What's so cool about manufacturing?
I'll show you.
OMG, it's ABB!
ABB is a pioneering tech leader in industrial automation and robotics operating globally. ABB in Warminster focuses on gauges and measuring devices for the food production industry and gas and oil. They also make custom parts and devices for a wide range of applications.
Good morning, my name's Steve, and welcome to ABB.
So, can you summarize what you do on a daily basis?
I fit, fabricate, and weld chambers.
Steve uses special equipment to protect himself from the strong light when welding. He uses the welder and the positioner to rotate the pipe when working.
How did you get into manufacturing?
About 6 years ago, I started getting into machining. I just kind of got hooked ever since.
Where are the products used?
We do a lot of stuff for the gas and oil industry, and we make these chambers that pretty much butt up against like a tank to run gas or oil or water or any kind of thing through the chamber.
What is the coolest part of your job?
The coolest part of my job is taking things from nothing and making a difference in the world.
Being able to do different stuff every day. You never know what the next day is going to bring. It's not like a monotony of doing the same thing every day.
This is the machinery that we use today. It's cutting pipe. We're all custom designed here, so you're not doing the same thing over and over again. You're looking at drawings and specification sheets.
That was a wild adventure.
Though I wish we got to stay longer.
Let's go back and show everyone what we learned.
Yeah! There's so many jobs at ABB, like welding, machining, and even advertising new products.
There are tons of career choices in manufacturing, and their products are all around you.
Like this TV!
This table, these t-shirts,
You should be a part of this amazing process.
and consider a job in manufacturing.